Mosques are sacred spaces that require careful attention to detail in their design and functionality. One of the most significant elements in any mosque is the carpet, which not only enhances the aesthetics of the prayer hall but also provides comfort and practicality for worshippers. A well-chosen mosque carpet improves the overall prayer experience, adds warmth to the environment, and ensures cleanliness. But what makes a mosque carpet truly suitable for a place of worship? How do you select the best material, design, and type? In this guide, we will explore everything you need to know about mosque carpets, from their features and benefits to installation and maintenance. The role of mosque carpets goes beyond just being a decorative piece. They provide a soft and comfortable surface for worshippers who spend extended time in prayer, reading the Quran, or engaging in religious discussions. Since shoes are removed before entering a mosque, the carpet acts as a protective layer, keeping the floors clean and free from dust. Additionally, mosque carpets contribute to the spiritual ambience of the space. Their designs often incorporate Islamic patterns, geometric shapes, and soothing colors that create an environment conducive to prayer and reflection. When choosing a mosque carpet, several factors must be considered to ensure durability, comfort, and functionality. The material of the carpet plays a crucial role in its longevity and feel. Wool carpets are highly regarded for their softness and durability, making them an excellent choice for high-traffic areas. However, synthetic materials such as polypropylene and nylon offer affordability, stain resistance, and easy maintenance, making them a practical alternative for many mosques. The thickness and density of the carpet also matter, as a well-padded carpet provides better cushioning, reducing strain on the knees and ankles during prayer. Design is another essential aspect of mosque carpets. Many carpets feature intricate Islamic motifs that add to the mosque's aesthetic appeal while maintaining a sense of tranquility. Some mosque carpets are designed with clearly marked rows, ensuring that worshippers can align themselves properly during prayer. A good mosque carpet should also have fire-resistant and slip-proof properties to enhance safety, particularly in large congregational settings. Mosque carpets come in various types, each serving a specific purpose. Wall-to-wall carpets cover the entire prayer hall, creating a seamless and luxurious appearance while ensuring that the space remains uniformly carpeted. Some mosques opt for individual prayer rugs, which allow for more flexibility in usage and are easier to replace or clean. Additionally, row-aligned carpets have pre-marked prayer lines, ensuring that worshippers can maintain perfect alignment during salah. Custom-designed mosque carpets are also popular, as they allow for tailored designs that match the mosque's interior while catering to specific needs. Proper installation of mosque carpets is vital to ensure longevity and comfort. The floor must be thoroughly cleaned and leveled before installation to prevent bumps and wrinkles in the carpet. Precise measurements are necessary to ensure a perfect fit, especially for wall-to-wall carpeting. The carpet is then secured using adhesive, double-sided tape, or carpet grippers to prevent movement and ensure safety. After installation, a thorough inspection is conducted to check for any misalignment or imperfections, and the carpet is vacuumed to remove any loose fibers or dust. Maintenance is key to preserving the beauty and functionality of mosque carpets. Given the high foot traffic in mosques, carpets should be vacuumed daily to remove dirt and dust. Deep cleaning, such as steam cleaning or shampooing, should be conducted at least once a month to eliminate stains, odors, and bacteria. In case of spills or stains, immediate spot cleaning with mild detergent helps prevent permanent discoloration. Preventative measures such as placing shoe racks near entrances and encouraging worshippers to wear clean socks further extend the life of the carpet and maintain hygiene. Choosing the right mosque carpet depends on several factors, including budget, mosque size, and expected foot traffic. Large mosques benefit from high-density wool blend carpets with row markings, as they provide durability and organization. Smaller prayer areas may find synthetic carpets more cost-effective while still offering comfort and easy maintenance. Custom-designed carpets elevate the mosque's aesthetic appeal but should be chosen with practicality in mind. Ultimately, selecting a carpet that is comfortable, durable, and easy to maintain ensures a long-lasting and worthwhile investment.